Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Rose watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay? This is not for all Scorpio. For some of you, it could not be your energy. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your energy for this reading. First, we have the Strength. This is your current situation. And we have here the Queen of Pentacles. This is your challenge. We also have the Four of Swords. This is the spiritual lesson. The Hierophant is the past situation. The present is the Hermit. The future is the Nine of Swords. Your attitude is the Six of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles is the outside influence. Your hopes and fears is the Temperance. And the outcome is the Hangman. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. To keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If it is not your story, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Strength. This is your current situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. This is your energy. You are strong because you managed to take back your power. You overcome all the conflicts in your life. And you have an inner will and an inner strength as well. And you are the control of your own life. For some of you guys, you can now defend yourself because you can tame the beast of other people, especially those people who want to manipulate you. Could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, and this person viewed you as a strong person. This person didn't realize how strong you are until you showed them your strength. I feel like for some of you, in the past, this person viewed you as a weak person because most Scorpio, we are, what do you call this? People viewed us as an innocent, or because we don't want to show our strength. And that's why there are people who are misjudge our strength. They will view us as a weak because they treated our kindness as our weakness. And that's why these people couldn't believe, or this person who embodied the energy of Leo couldn't believe how strong you are until you showed them your strength. This is your current energy. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Queen of Pentacles. This is your challenge. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, look. It could also be that there is a correlation with this person. Yeah. This person could also now view you as a strong person. This person, either you are dealing with Leo or Virgo. And both of them didn't realize how strong you are. Because in the past, I feel like you are very compassionate to this person. You are always supporting them. You give your full support, especially financial matters. And they never reciprocated you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They treated your kindness as your weakness. And for some of you guys, it could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Because of your aura, you are a very nurturing and loving person. Lots of people in the past exploited your kindness, your nurturing aura. Others of you, this is your energy. You are connected to the Mother Earth. And it could also be that you are spending most of your time at home, or you are investing your money into a realty. For some of you guys, you become this energy of the Queen of Pentacles. It's because of your hard work, your legacy, or it could also be that you have inherited something. For some of you, maybe you belong to a rich, a wealthy family. For some of you, of course. Others of you, you are working hard to reach this Queen of Pentacles. It could also be that you are a CEO, an independent contractor, or a wealthy businesswoman, businessman. This is like a social butterfly. Yeah. And for some of you guys, you are advised here to spend time to the nature. Others of you, maybe you are spending already the time in gardening, at home, doing household chores, because for some of you, you want to maintain the peace in your surroundings. And the only way to maintain the peace in your surroundings is to work at home. Maybe you are also working at home. I don't know. And I feel like this person viewed you as a very nurturing person. If this is in your family, this person is feeling entitled with your success. Could also be that you receive a money, an inheritance, and this person is needing your help, especially financially. I don't know who is this person in your life. If this is your friend or in the workplace, this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. It could also be that this person is in your community. I don't know. And this person viewed you as a marriage material. If this is somebody in the community. Because of your aura. This person wants to offer you a marriage proposal. This person viewed you as the perfect mother and father of their children. It doesn't matter if you are male or female, because in tarot there is no gender. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and this is your challenge, because somebody here needs your financial support, or they needs your healing energy. Take only what fits in your story. Either you are dealing with a Virgo or a Leo. And we have here the Four of Swords. This is the spiritual lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are resting. You are feeling overwhelmed. Could also be that you have too much stress at work. It could also be that there are lots of people in the workplace who wants to drain your energy, and you are feeling exhausted and tired, and that's why you are resting. Others of you, you are advised to rest, to calm your mind. I feel like for some of you, you are feeling overwhelmed in the past situation in your life. I don't know what is your story. It could also be that you give this person a silent treatment. This person could be a Libra. Could also be any other sign. And I feel like for some of you, because of your hard work, you are advised her to pamper yourself, to rejuvenate yourself, to drink more water, and to stay hydrated, because I feel like you are feeling stressed or tired mentally, because there are lots of people who wants to harvest your energy. These people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbor. Could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, and this is the reason why you are taking a rest. Take only what fits in your story. Okay. And we have here the Hierophant. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are following your intuition. For some of you, it could also be that the nature of your job is related to spirituality. Maybe you are a star-seed, a light worker, a shaman, a guru, a spiritual advisor, a psychic, or a tarot card readers. Somebody here is questioning your belief. This is related to your faith and commitment. It could also be that this is your family who are questioning your belief, because these people viewed you as you abandoned your commitment, especially if you are more on a spirituality rather than traditional belief. And that's why this group of people could be in your family, could also be in the community. Others of you, it could also be that you are a priest or a religious teacher. I don't know what is the nature of your job. This could also be related to traditional values, religious, and belief. This person wants to commit you, to propose you a marriage proposal, but there is a problem here. It could also be that you have different beliefs in our religion, and this person is also having different religion and beliefs, and that's why there is a problem in this situation. This person wants to commit you. Could be a Taurus, could also be other sign. And I feel like for most of you, you are following your intuition and your spirituality if you are engaged in spirituality. Others of you guys, it could also be that somebody here wants you to engage in the community, to be a teacher, to be a religious teacher or a spiritual teacher. It could also be that this person wants to approach you. This person wants to uplift you, wants to help you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person is the same beliefs with you. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story, but for most of you, you have problems with this person because maybe the beliefs of this person is contradict with your beliefs and religion. Although this person wants to commit you, to propose a marriage proposal, but there is blockage because of belief in our religion. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and we have here the Hermit. This is the present energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Double confirmation. The Queen of Pentacles. For most of you guys, it could also be that you have a Virgo in your birth chart, or this is your energy for most of you, because you are choosing to be in a solitary mode. than to be with a group of people who create noise in your life. Others of you, you are meditating, you are following your intuition, and you gain wisdom. It's because of your experience in the past. You managed to climb up at the top of the mountain. And because of that, you find the answers of the questions in your life. You undergone too much self-introspection and self-evaluation. You have gone in the dark night of the soul. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Virgo. And this person now is doing a shadow work. This person now could be investigating about you. This person now is confused why you give them a silent treatment and you are no longer communicating with them anymore. But there are some people, they knew already what they have done to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but they are feeling, what do you call this, innocent. Some people did mistakes to you, and in the end they will twist the story that you are the one who did wrong to them. And that's why it could also be that this person is investigating your life. This person could be a Virgo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? For most of you, this is your energy. You gain more wisdom. It's because of your experiences in your life. And we have here the future energy, the Nine of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be a group of people. This is the future energy. The universe advises you here to stop overthinking and not worrying about the future, because if this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, you don't need to worry about the future, because I feel like your spirit guides, your divine angels and divine ancestors are guiding you through your journey, and you don't need to worry about the future, to overthink what will happen on the next day. For some of you guys, it could also be that these are the feelings of the people in the past who are trying to destroy you in the past, who are backstabbing you, slander your name, and putting you in a love triangle, third-party situation. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And this group of people now are feeling depressed. For some of these people, they have an anxiety, a sleepless nights, and insomnia, because they couldn't believe what has happened in your life. I don't know what's happening with your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Now they are feeling stress. And others of these people, I feel like they have a mental anguish, because in the past, this group of people tried to destroy you. For some of these people, they engage you in a witchcraft, voodoo, black magic. They are trying to mock you down in the past. And since what they did to you never worked, that's why these are their feelings. You look, because they couldn't mock you down. Because most of the Scorpios having a spatial connection with the spiritual realm. And that's why it's difficult for this group of people to mock you down, because you are also intuitive and you also knew what are their intentions. And now, whatever they plan on you in the past, my beautiful soul, Scorpio, it backfires on them. They couldn't sleep, they have anxiety, and they have stress, because they couldn't believe They couldn't believe what has happened in your life. You look, you are the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Others of you, you are manifesting this and you already, your manifestation is answered with the universe. And you are heeding this to be the Queen of Pentacles. For some of you, you already have this financial stability and abundance. That's because of your legacy, your hard work, and or your inheritance. This is an ancestral inheritance. It could also be that you belongs to a wealthy family, a royal blood. And that's why you have this stability. And this person, this group of people, couldn't believe that whatever they did to you, it never works. And you still have your financial success and stability. This is the reason why they are now having stress and anxiety. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. This is only a temporary scenario in your life. And it won't last longer. All you need to do is to clear up your mindset and to listen to your intuition, because there are lots of things in our lives that our mind couldn't explain, only our intuition. Stop worrying and overthinking, because you are here heavenly guided and protected with your spirit guides, your divine angels, and the divine ancestors. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and we have here the Six of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Not necessary, could also be other sign. I feel like you want give and take, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are very tired of those people who are taking you for granted. That you always give your energy, your resources, your money. You're always supporting these people. And you are tired. You realize that balance is the key. Others of you guys, it could also be that this group of people is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. In the past, it could also be that you are always supporting this group of people and you are not reciprocated and you are tired. If this is in your family, it could also be that you are supporting financial matters. For some of you, maybe you are a breadwinner in your family and you are not reciprocated. This group of people wants to take and take from you, and they will not give you something because they exploited your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion. It could also be this is in your workplace. You are always supporting your co-workers and you are not reciprocated because the same. They viewed your kindness as your weakness. And now you are tired. You want give and take. For some of you, it could also be that you are engaged in a charity. And the universe advises you here to have balance, to be watchful with your income, with your money. Because you need to ask yourself if you are a merchant or a beggar. And you need to have balance in your life, because balance is a key. Others of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Taurus wants to give you balance in a relationship. In the past, I feel like this person never valued you, never reciprocating you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person wants to give you now balance. Could be a Taurus, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, and this is your outside influence, the Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Not necessary, it could also be a group of people, includes Virgo. And I feel like this is your energy. For most of you, you are enjoying your freedom. You are taking care of yourself, you pamper yourself, and you are very independent, confident, and you realize that you can work alone successfully without the help of other people. And because of that, I feel like there are lots of people who are envy and jealous on you. This is you look, that's why you are feeling overwhelmed here, because there are lots of people who wants to harvest your energy because they are jealous on you. You are the queen, you are the Nine of Pentacles energy. You have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and your legacy. It could also be that you have inherited money from your ancestors. Others of you, it could also be that you belong to a royal blood and you have this financial success and stability. It's because somebody inherited, give this inheritance to you, and you inherited this financial stability. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo, 3 times confirmation, the Hermit, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. This person, if this is in your family, needs your financial support or feeling entitled with your success. It could also be that this person wants you to share your success, especially financially, to them. Yeah. If this is in your friend circle, your ex, in the community or in the workplace, this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Because they viewed you now as having a financial success and stability. In the past, I feel like they are not reciprocating you. You look, they are only taking you for granted. And now, it's because you manifest this financial success and stability now. They wants to come back to you. They wants to return and say, hey, Scorpio, I want to say sorry. Can we patch it up together? Something like this or something like that. Because they wants to nurture the relationship. In the past, they never reciprocated you. They are only taking you for granted. Could be a Virgo. And this is the outside influence here. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and we have here your hopes and fears is the balance. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. Or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. Could also be other sign. Could also be that this is your divine angels. Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, and Archangel Michael. For most of you, this is your energy. You find balance in all aspects of your life. You have peace and tranquility in your surroundings. And you manage to alchemize your painful experiences in the past. And for that reason, you gain wisdom and knowledge. And you are moving smoothly. You don't want to take a rush action. You are trusting the process of the universe because you have faith in your heart. And you believe as well that everything will come into a divine timing. This is your energy because you managed to heal your wounds in the past, the trauma. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Sagittarius wants to heal the trauma or the grudges between you and them. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person feel that you have a healing energy. This person could be a Sagittarius. Others of you, it could also be that this is somebody in your life who is there to you. And this person could be passed away. And then the soul or the angel of this person is watching you, protecting you towards your journey. Could also be a Sagittarius. I don't know which is your story here. For most of you guys, you have find peace, balance, and tranquility in your surroundings. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Sagittarius wants to give you balance in this relationship. And that's to heal the grudges and the trauma between you and them. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears because for some of you, you have fear that this person is not true to you behind your back. If this is your ex, you have fear because you don't want to be outbalanced. And you hope that this person will heal their trauma with you. But your fears is you don't need to carry the burdens of this person especially when this person is your ex and wants to come back to you. And of course, you will hope that their trauma is going to be healed, or this grudges is about to end, to patch it up together. But you have fear that this person will suck your energy again and will give you their burdens again, and you will be outbalanced again. And you don't want this. You want to have balance in your life. You already have balance because you choose to heal, and you choose to have faith, to believe the process of the universe. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and this is your outcome, the Hangman. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Not necessary, could also be other sign. I feel like this person in the past wants to see you sacrifice. For some of you, you have an epiphanies. You are no longer dealing with this sacrificing with other people, because you have an epiphanies. You have seen the truth, and you have also the clarity. Others of you, it could also be that in the past, this person wants to see you suffer, to sacrifice. This person could be a Pisces. And now the table turns, because you are no longer dealing with this anymore. You realize that, you look, balance is the key, and you are no longer supporting with this person anymore, because you ended up being like this, to sacrifice for the other people. And now it backfires, because this person is feeling stuck. This person could be a Pisces. Could also be that this person is your ex. Could also be in your family, in your friend circle, your co-workers. Could also be in your community. This person now is feeling like in a limbo, because they are now confused of what has happened with your life. Why Scorpio become the Queen of Pentacles? Why Scorpio become so strong? Why Scorpio managed to have balance in their lives? And Scorpio can create their own stability without the help of other people. And that's why they are feeling confused. Because in the past, the fact is that they want you to sacrifice. It could also be that this person is in your workplace, or in your family. And now you ended up sacrificing, because you find balance in your life. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person now is feeling like in a limbo, feeling stuck and confused. But that's not your problem anymore. This person could be a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. For some of you, could also be other sign. And clarify me, please, the Hangman here. Why the Hangman in this reading? Please tell me more about the Hangman here. The Hangman is clarified as the 7th house, love and partnership. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. And this is the clarification of the Hangman. Could also be that you are dealing with Pisces or Libra. And this is related to love and relationship. And this person now is feeling stuck, feeling isolated, because you are no longer engaging with them anymore. For some of you, you cut off the ties of this person. You disengage your energy, because this person is one of the reasons why you have too much anxiety in the past. This person slandered your name in the past and tried to mock you down. Also, this person gossiping lies and rumors about you. Could also be that this person betraying you. Could be either a Pisces or a Libra. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay, clarify me, please, the Hierophant here. The Hierophant is clarified as Mars. This is drive and action. So, for some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either an Aries a fellow Scorpio or a Taurus, because Mars is the ruling planet of an Aries and one of the ruling planets of a Scorpio. This is related to drive and action, and this is Hierophant is Taurus. Could also be that you are dealing with this zodiac sign, or you have Taurus and Aries in your birth chart. I don't know, because there are 3 people here. I feel like there's these 3 people, the 3 forces are conniving each other. Conniving each other to knock you down in the past. You look. But they never succeed because your faith is so strong and you are intuitive person. And that's why whatever they did to you never worked. Could be that you are dealing with either Taurus, Taurus, Aries, and fellow Scorpio. This person is a low vibes Scorpio. Not the Scorpio that I am referring for. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the 9 of Swords here? Tell me more about the 9 of Swords here. The 9 of Swords is clarified as Lovi, the extrovierte. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. And now this person tastes their own medicine for what they have done to you. They have now an anxiety and depression. For some of them, they have a mental anguish because whatever they wish and plan for you, it backfires on them. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or a group of people, includes Gemini and Leo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the 9 of Pentacles here? The 9 of Pentacles is clarified as South Lunar Node. This is the old karma. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. And this person could be your twin flame. In the past, you have a past life connection. And this is repeated because somebody had never learned their lesson. This is the old karma. Others of you, it could also be that the universe paying you off because in the past, there are lots of people who misjudge you, who tried to knock you down. Yeah, look. And that's why the universe give you a justice. And that's that you become what you call this, a successful person, to have a financial success and stability. Because this is related to old karma. Karma is what goes around comes around. Whatever you did in the past, because in the past you are very generous, you are very givers, and that's why the universe give you this, the good karma. What goes around comes around, and this is your financial success and stability. Yeah, old karma. Could also be that this person now is receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because this is your reading, this is in your favor. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the Temperance here? The Temperance is clarified as opposition, Spannung und Gegensätze. This is a German language astro cards, which means opposition and tension. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. And I feel like you have so much conflict with this person, and there are tensions and opposing opinions here. You have conflict in this person, clashing because of differences. Could be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please. Why the strength in this reading? The strength is clarified as Steinbock Wishefen. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Leo or a Capricorn or a lady boss. And I feel like this is the reason why you take back your power, because I feel like in the past this person never valued yourself. This person viewed you as a weak person, and now this person couldn't believe that you are strong because you can tame their BS. This is about the ego and their pride. Could be that you are dealing with either Capricorn or a Leo. Could also be a lady boss, because the Shifen is a lady boss, not necessarily a Capricorn. Could also be the lady boss, the Capricorn, or a Leo. And now they realize that you are strong than them because you outshine them by taking back your power. You overcome all the conflicts they have done to you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, please. The Hermit. Why the Hermit here? The Hermit is clarified as Fishy, Troimeren. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Virgo. Or you have a Pisces or a Virgo in your birth chart. For some of you, not all of you. It could also be other sign. And I feel like this person, Pisces and or Virgo, is or are investigating about your life. How you become a successful person. How you become having a financial success and stability despite of what they have done to you. You look, they tried to destroy you in the past. And it didn't work. Now they are investigating because they are confused. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling like in a limbo. Could be this person, either a Pisces or a Virgo. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, please, the Four of Swords here. The Four of Swords is clarified as 10th house. Career on Earthfold. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or a Libra. And I feel like this is related to your career and success. And you cut off the ties of this person. You give them a silent treatment because I feel like this person is jealous on you. Yeah, look, you are the Nine of Pentacles because you are enjoying your freedom. You can work alone successfully without them, and you don't need to validate. You don't need the validation of other people. You are independent and confident, and that's cause people jealousy. You earn your own money, and could be that you are dealing with either a Libra or a Capricorn because this person could be jealous on you because of your success in your career. You look career on Earthfold. This is a German language astro cards. This is career and success, and you give this person a silent treatment because it costs you too much energy to deal with this person. This person is trying to manipulate you or doing wishy-washy behind the scenes. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading, guys. And if it is resonates, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share in order to make it grow. Until the next time, thank you for joining me here once again. I love you all. Bye.